even a week or two ago, I said, is it possible that Comer is going to walk? And he walked today. So did Letitia James, because of a technicality, a procedural technicality. But we'll get to it. I'm going to show you this right off the bat. I'm not surprised in this, because the question will be going forward is does this blow back onto Blondie and the DOJ? How does this reflect upon her? How about the Senate not confirming or passing a U.S. attorney? I mean, we got these temporary people that, might be ineffectual. I'm not saying that Halligan's incompetent or that she bungled the case, because you have an active partisan judge that's running amok. That was appointed by the Clintons. So when you really think about it, is it really all on her? We'll get to that. I'll show you this, and we'll talk about it a little bit more. So this comes from Shadow of Ezra. So I'm going to show it to you. This was, Bill Clinton appointed judge throughout the case. I said last week, does he walk? And what's going to be the fall off of this? We'll talk about that. Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James ruling the prosecutor who filed the charges was illegally appointed. Wow, the cases were dismissed without prejudice, leaving the door open for the DOJ to refile charges with a properly appointed prosecutor. Oh, how about that?
The case against former FBI Director James Comey is getting dismissed. The judge ruling the appointment of interim U.S. Attorney Lindsay Halligan violated the Constitution. The judge also criticized the DOJ for allowing an FBI agent who viewed Comey's privileged materials to testify to the grand jury. Now, the judge also tossed the case against Letitia James. The case.
Wow. So they just threw that case out because she violated the Constitution, because apparently, and we're going to talk about it right now, we'll get Marshall's thoughts on this, is that the Federal Vacancies Reform Act, there's only a certain amount of 120 days that, and after that, you got to be reappointed, or there has to be someone else to fill that role.